Hello, welcome again. We are solving GATE 2025 mechanical engineering paper. Question number 13 is the divergence of the curl of a vector field is option A the magnitude of this vector field, option B the argument of this vector field, option C the magnitude of the curl of this vector field, and option D 0. So here, if f is a vector, then curl of f and its divergence is 0. So that is always. And true for this is both vector f is f1i plus f2j plus f3k, and then curl of f is ijk. Solving this matrix, we will give curl of this, curl of f, curly by curly x plus curly by curly y and curly by curly z. Here f1, f2, f3. If we take this I, then curly f3 minus curly f2 by z is this part, and then j curly f1 by curly z will be minus curly f3 by curly x, and k is curly f2 curly x minus curly f1 curly y. Okay, now if we take its divergence, then we have to differentiate with respect to x, this with respect to y, and this with respect to z. So, and solving this, we will get, if we differentiate with respect to x, it will be curly square f3 curly y by curly x, and it will be curly square f2 curly z by curly x. This will be curly square f1 curly z curly y. This will be curly square f3 curly x curly y, and this will be curly square f2 curly x curly z. This will be curly square f1 curly y curly z. So answer is, solution of this is 0. So curly of this divergence of curl f is 0 always for any vector. Okay. So answer is option D.